Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce this Fiskars 10-2-5-3-7-4 gardening spade for hard, stony swords, pointed, and a high-quality Boron steel made of ergonomic design, and it comes in a silver finish, 125.5 to 14.525 centimeters. Oh yeah, this is a nice pointed gardening spade. Total length is 125 centimeters for digging in hard stony soils. Also suitable for rooting and lawn cutting. The user height should be 175 up to 195 centimeter. If you are in that dimension, that's the right tool for you. Effortless work thanks to the ergonomic shape and easy digging and penetration into the ground thanks to the sharp spade blade. Optimum working, hide and back friendly posture to relieve the muscle strain. Comfortable position of the hands for all hand sizes thanks to the particle D handle is included too. The pointed gardener spade here is really nice, as you can see, and it works, make a good work. A spade is a tool primary for digging, consisting of a long handle and blade. Typically, with the blade narrower and flatter than the common shovel. Early spades were made of riven wood or of animal bones. After the art of metalworking was developed, the spades were made with sharper tips of metal. Before the introduction of the metal spade, manual labor was less efficient at moving the earth, with picks being required to break up the soil, in addition to spade for moving the dirt. With a metal tip, a spade can both break and move the earth in most situations, increasing efficiency. A classic spade with a narrow body and a flat or a near-flat tip is suitable for digging post holes, and it's not be confused with a round-pointed shovel, which has a wider body and a tapered tip. And here it comes, the pointed garden spade. Total length is 125 centimeters for digging in hard, rocky soils, also suitable for root and lawn pricking. And if you are, in my case, I'm 180 centimeters tall, so this is the right shovel for me. Effortless work thanks to ergonomic shape, easy digging and penetrating into the ground thanks to the sharp spade blade. It's an optimal working height in a back-friendly posture to relieve the muscles in comfortable position of the mature. Comfortable position hands for all hand size thanks to the particle D handle. And a high durability thanks to a high-quality Boron steel in the finished design. You will get this Fiskars ergonomic garden spade pointed with a length of 125 centimeters and a weight of 2 kilograms easily with Boron steel in gray-black, and this will help you so much in the garden, for example. This is a cool and nice design gardening spade for nearly everything out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.